So generally when we open the page of the journal, so when we open the page of the journal, they give the different informations about the journal, what is this journal and what they are going to do. Then they give you the guide for authors, submit your papers and track your paper or the journal. These are the some information when you will open the journal they give you. And they will give how to view article, then you look that they will give the impact factor, because impact factor is one of the things they want to highlight. So they put in the front of their journal that their impact factor is 3.1. But we remember when we started to publish material design, one impact factor. In 2009, their impact factor is 1. Then they increase to 1.5. Then they go to 0.1 and then they go to 2.5. Every year increases. But I remember when published in 2009-10, it's just a one impact factor of material design. So like for example, we require to put the detail of user ID. Not working. Huh? Huh? Sorry, I think it's difficult to work with this system. Okay, so maybe that tomorrow we will try to go this part. We will maybe we will look that one, and if not that, we will explain that one how to do the things. So that if for today, if you have anything more want to share, let me know. Anything else from the participants? Any query, anything, you have to share. Don't be shy on that. So if you want to ask any question, you ask. Don't be think that other people will ask wrong or right. Don't worry about that. Any query? No? Every people have satisfied or out of the say?
This is the last question.
No, it's okay. That for me is I want that at least when you ask something, the other people who don't ask, they maybe get the benefit from your question.
Is it better to use a reference from the same journal?
Nowadays, this is a big what call that the problem. Problem is that some of the journal want you to compel to cite from their journal, and some of the journal they don't want that you will cite the more paper from one journal. Understand that point? Yeah, it means like, for example, I remember that I published one paper in Journal of Thermal Analysis and Calorimetry. So the editor write to me, you have to cite the paper from Journal of Thermal Analysis and Calorimetry, because if you cite the paper, I will say other authors to cite your paper. But nowadays the things are coming, like for example, you want to submit the paper to material design, but you don't cite any paper from material design. So how they understand your paper suit to material design? This is the one of the question they in their favor, means their favor, they want to say, you don't cite any paper from our journal, so how you think that your journal is suit to my, your paper suit to my journal? So this is the sum of the issues is coming. So for me, intentionally, you don't require to cite the paper, but if you feel that that paper is really need to put in that paper, you put it, but better to put at least one or two paper from that journal which you are going to submit the paper, because it gives authenticity to you. The research paper suit to that, because the similar paper have published. Otherwise, the editor says it's out of scope, because their paper already published in that journal, but when you don't cite, sometimes they say out of scope. So in my opinion, better to cite the paper from that journal which you are submitting, because it will show that the similar paper they are publishing. So they have also less chance to say that you are out of scope. So most of the chance means if you feel that like research discussion and others, you don't find any paper to suit. So best technique to suit in the introduction, because you just want to put that paper to suit for that journal. So you maybe include in the introduction part, because maybe the research work what you are dealing, that research paper did not suit to your research. So maybe it suits to the journal introduction. So you will put that paper in the introduction section to make that this paper is suit to that journal. Because some of the journal they want, in my opinion, better to put, because it will give you the positive side of your paper that similar paper is published from that journal. This is one of the technique also we say. This is one of the trick to publish. So you also better to submit the, and sometimes as I say, you twist paper according to journal. Like for example, I write measurement of, nothing is different, We write the evaluation is the same word, but we intentionally I write measurement of physical and mechanical properties of particle board to suit the journal, because that journal is measurement. So I say we also measure this physical and mechanical property, so the publish. So the trick work there, but second paper the trick failed. So that the same trick is not going to fit everywhere, but you as a what call that you have to do the different trick, because the publication, if you think that, as I said, if you think your paper have a value, nobody have a publish, then I'm 100% sure you are able to publish. Don't be disheartened. If certain paper, because the most of the time nowadays happening very bad, if the reviewer write similar paper published, if they write similar paper word, even the first reviewer, second reviewer have very good comment on you, editor will reject your paper. Why? Because the word he used, similar work done. So this is a very, very dangerous line. The one line, but very dangerous line. If we write that line, similar work done, but funny thing, I have a very bad experience while I am working with UTM. There is one PhD student, we submit the paper to carbohydrate polymer. Then the one of the reviewer writes same line. He cite this paper is very similar to, and even he give the title of the paper. We understand maybe this paper have a similar paper, and when we open that paper, nothing to do with our paper. Nothing to do with our paper. Then what we done, we also did not have, we write later to the editor, paper is rejected, but when we resubmit, we write the editor that this paper have previously submitted to Carbohydrate Polymer, and the 2 reviewers have reviewed this article, and 1 review have write this thing, but we check from the resource, our paper has nothing similarity with that paper. So the lastly that paper published in Carbohydrate Polymer. But the first time he write, they write similar paper. We also, because of course this is the world, maybe anybody have published that paper, related paper. When we open, nothing to do with that paper, funny thing, nothing to do. But with confidence he write the reviewer, this paper is similar to, and even he give title, very humble. He is very good guy. He don't write only the same, he give the title of the paper. This paper, and with the volume number and journal name, everything he give, full citation of that, he give that one. Maybe his paper, we don't know, understand one. Because sometimes, this is also one of the issue nowadays coming on. Some of the reviewer review a paper, they say cite this paper. So from there, we find out these are the guy who is reviewing my paper. But until now, as a reviewer, still I am some place when I review the paper, I think my paper they have to cite. But still I am stopping myself to say that cite my paper. Still, I don't know, after that maybe I also started to do that. But still I am stopping myself. Even somewhere when the paper will come, like for example, I am working on epoxy, canaf. Some paper I saw, they have to cite our paper, because our paper in 2014, 2015, but they don't cite. So I'm not going to compel him until now. I just write, please cite some recent paper. So if I'm lucky, they cite my paper, otherwise it's okay for him, So I just write the general term, I say, please cite some recent article from the jute and epoxy. But sometime, like one time I cited this one, but he don't cite my paper. Still he don't get in the site. But some of the reviewer, they are putting the name of that one, Some of the reviewer I have experienced, they put 5 paper. They say cite my paper. I say I don't cite your paper. Why I cite your paper? Because not related to mine. So I just 1 paper which is related to me, I cite. 4 paper I don't cite. I just write to editor. I say this paper is not related to me. Why I cite? So sometimes we are not the compelled by the reviewer, what they say we do. So we will tomorrow, inshallah, we will discuss on how to reply the reviewer comment. So I will show some of the negative comment by the authors to the reviewer. He say, this is, you are wrong. So this is sometimes you are confident on your work. Reviewer, if say do this one, and if you feel that is wrong, you say no. Because you are the researcher, know better than the reviewer, because you work. So if something say, you have to give with the full judgment that this paper is right, and what you want to say to us, we are unable to do because it did not suit or something like that. We have several paper, like Yushriya, Nadli, they are sitting, the Nahid, others, there are some comment come, we don't agree, so we have to write some line, how we say project is finished or something, So we have to do something, and that is right, because the student graduated, So now it's not possible to go for SEM and we do Q for 1 month and do experiment and send to paper, no. So we frankly right, not possible to do it at this moment. We are happy that you give the comment. Next time we consider your comment, but this we are not going. So inshallah tomorrow we because basically it required to Prof. Safwan to give the lecture today. But unfortunately he is getting some membership of Islamic Malaysia or something, so he went there. And we have today we have also, I and Prof. Safwan both be required to go to Proton. We have some agreement to look with them. So I am engaged here, the Prof. Safwan also there, so the other 2 people go, Dr. Tariq and Dr. Ridwan went there Proton. So inshallah tomorrow, the first lecture is going to given by the Prof. Safwan. He is a very experienced professor. You saw that, I already saw that he has 319 papers, journal papers, so you have to get the experience from him. 1 lecture tomorrow, and also tomorrow I and he both we are here to discuss sharing with your manuscript. If you have a manuscript, you bring the manuscript, and if you bring the soft copy, it's good for us. What we do, we will put here, and then all people are going to get the benefit from discussion. We will discuss, and also we take opinion from you how to modify. So it's my humble request for you, if you have, like somebody have already raised 10, 11 people that they are writing the article. So if you have an article, because the tomorrow second half we fully